Okay, so you know I have this piece of wood and there's a pile right there. And then I have this hammer. I'm at a friend's house right now. And this contraption right here, I forgot what it's called.
Kindle cracker.
I don't know.
Kindle cracker.
Kindle cracker.
Kindle cracker. It's super fun and satisfying. And we're gonna put some random content in our channel. So this is how it works. Here's a blade right here, I think, and then like there's a stand thing right here. The wood's covering it a little bit.
And then you go like this.
And then, okay. And then, so this is how you're supposed to chop it. So it chops wood, and so you kind of like set it up and like get a little like stuck on the blade so it stands up. And then for the bigger logs, you swing your hammer and then chop it. It's super satisfying. So I'm gonna do it again for you guys. Do it. No. The wood. Okay. So, dink dink. And we cut off the bark. See? I didn't even mean to cut it off. Now we're gonna do this one and not cut off the bark. We're just gonna cut it in half. Or we should try. Okay. So, swing, swing, and it makes a loud noise. Okay. Triple's not here, but we got my boy, Mr. Atticus. Subscribe to his channel.
I don't have
So,
any videos on that.
Still, subscribe to
Don't.
his channel. Okay, don't subscribe to his channel. And if you already are, unsubscribe.
No.
Never mind. Okay, this is
Disregard
just
everything
Link
he
and
said.
not. This is just Link and not Triple signing off. Hello, Gucci gamers. It's me and Mario. My doggy, or one of my doggies. Please like and subscribe. Triple won't be in the next few videos, like the next week or two, because he just had a surgery. I won't say any more details out of Triple's privacy. So, yeah, one like equals one kiss for the doggy. Mwah. Okay, and comment down below what your favorite dog breed is. And yeah, so please like and subscribe. And yeah, so thanks gamers for tuning in every video. And yeah, Link and not Triple signing off.